Oh, Malik, wash him something. Online. Good afternoon. Howdy do? How is your How is your afternoon? Hope all is well. How are you doing this afternoon? Afternoon, good afternoon. How do you do? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How is your afternoon? Start overeat. That's what I find what I can use for water gone. Huh?
No. Onion.
Yeah.
Good
afternoon. From your sister, you use the tank. From your sister, you wash. And so you did finish wash when the water go away? Okay. Right, you see it set up that way the thing, you just tell him say water finish. So you can turn on the tank. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. How is your lunch time? Hope all is well. Thank you so much.
In Jamaica.
No, just thank God for life. That's all. So the rain that fall, I never get to go on the road because the rain that fall. I did want to go on the road. That's no water in the pipe. Oh boy. Lunch time is almost up. You want hot water?
I know.
You have water to pour for that? You pour it already? Okay. My husband going him that one more. I'm going to eat it. I don't know. Pizza. Oh Lord. Get one? I'm not get it, I'll buy me buy it. You know, but when I go and get nothing, I love you have to buy it. So anything where come here and I get, I buy. But it's not going to give you nothing. Nothing no free. Sorry. Nothing is free. I am hungry. Hi, how are you doing? Look at me little piece of glasses. I'm going to take the glasses. I'm just going to say good afternoon. Hope all is well. Thank you for joining. Hello, how are you? How is your day going? Moxie Devon. No coughing start. People, people, people. Just eat one boiled egg. You know where the pasta come from all of a sudden, you know. Alright, so I have like one piece of watermelon. Look like I want some water to drink. Alright, so this is one piece of watermelon. Yeah, see it nice? Red. Well. When you see the color look like this, you know say it's sweet. So, me now, I'm gonna eat maybe a piece of it. And let you guys see what I did. Just cut it. Let me let you see how I organized it. Alright, so there you go. That's how I fixed the watermelon. I don't know how does that look, but it's hard to cut when you have the phone in one hand and the melon in one hand. How am I gonna get through this one? Oh my word. Anyways, this is sweet. Alright, so when I cut it, I'm just gonna hold it so it or sweet. I like when the melon look like this. When it look like this, you know say it's sweet. So maybe I can show it this way now. There it is, you know. When this you fix it. There, I already took a bite. I already took a bite out of it already. I already took a bite. You know when this go in the fridge and it cool, it tastes so good. Worse when it's sweet, just when it look red like this, you know say the melon is very tasty. Very yummy. Yep. So good girl, I go eat the watermelon. No. So I just hope everyone is doing great. Let me find out if my daughter wants this. It's sweet. So I'm having watermelon for lunch. That's what I'm having today now for lunch. Watermelon. Very sweet. So this morning we talk about eating healthy. How much does it cost to eat healthy? A whole lot, right? This watermelon, 1 pound is for $300. And I would say that is not bad because some persons would be selling it for 500 or 400. So this person is not selling it. The price is not bad. And it's very sweet. I haven't had watermelon in a while. Full of juice and it's sweet. So it red, you know, so it's sweet. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? Hi, nice. Watermelon. Yeah, tasty. Really, really yummy. Sweet. The glass is mashed up, so tasty. This is worth my money. I bought like $1,000 worth, nearly. I got back only $50. I bought what? 3.5 pounds of melon. Take out the other piece in the fridge. Tastes really nice. Sorry, it tastes good, so she come back for more. Melon full of juice. Crunchy and nice. I'm going to eat this thing. Take out the one in the fridge so I have my cut piece here. Okay. So guys, this is the next piece. Yeah. So she wanted more, so I'm gonna cut piece of it and give her. Very, very sweet. This is Jamaican watermelon. Yeah. Jamaican watermelon. So I'm gonna cut piece and give to her. Yeah. Hold it good. So I'm gonna put up the next piece so that whenever she wants peas, she can get it. Children must have fruits. We as adults as well, we're supposed to have fruits in our diet. Yes, try to eat healthy. Try to eat healthy. Because I'm telling you, it is expensive. It is expensive to eat healthy. It is expensive not to eat healthy, and it is expensive to eat healthy. So either way, it's gonna cost you. Yes, so that is it. Yes, I'm gonna put up this piece in the fridge. Yep. Rest it back in the fridge when you want it yet. Fresh, nice fresh watermelon. I can just cut it. The melon. So now I am gonna have a slice of cake. Lord of mercy. I'm hungry, me not eat yet from morning, guys. What me eat from morning was a boiled egg, right? Up on the road about 2 times and come back. So now, see the cake there? Finally get the black cake, yes? The Christmas cake. My mother-in-law make it when we come home. I went day before yesterday. I saw there was a cake for me on the dining table. She make it, she come by and leave it for me. So I'm gonna taste it, yes? Gonna test it out, see how it looks. Really, really nice. Look at the surface. See the texture? Alright, so I'm gonna bite into it. She can bake for sale. Tastes good. We have to take our next slice. So this would be like my birthday cake. I didn't bought a birthday cake. Mother-in-law, my mother-in-law bring a Christmas cake for me. Look at it. Hey, mushy. See how mushy it is. Them cake here, my love. Tastes really good. What I did, I just put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge so it's cool and nice. Very, very, you know, mushy. Tastes so good. Make your mouth spring water. You that eat a full light. People, don't say A and I greedy. Don't say A and I greedy. No, I am not. As me say, I don't really eat much from morning, and the cake nice. Who wants cake? Alright. Okay. Look at that texture. That's the raisin. I think that's the raisin. Wow. Love the texture of the cake. It's just smooth and nice. You can taste the rum, the wine, the raisin, the spices, everything gel together in it. You know what you just talking? For save some for next day, people. I'm not done it. You want a slice of cake? Sit here. Let's say, people, the cake nice. You want a slice, baby girl? You eat the melon, your belly full.
Just don't eat all of it.
Yeah, it's mine. Duh. You dare me. I will. This is mine. Come. Come on now. Yeah. Thank you. May I tell you the wine turn up in a chunk. Hey, me eat 2 pieces come like me junk now. Oh, Jesus. Boy. How much piece meat a while ago? Hey. How much piece meat a while ago? 2, right? Oh, gosh. A 2 piece. It's 2 pieces alone me just eat and me tell the people. I feel like me I turn over. Boy. The wine turn up and the rum. They put rum in it too. But them put enough wine in it. Well, taste the wine more. Enough wine them use in it, me I tell you. God. But it's nice. It tastes so wonderful. So guys, enough respect from A and I. I'm gonna put back the rest of my cake in the fridge. Thanks to my mother-in-law for our lovely cake that she make and can come give me. Yeah. Thanks to you guys for supporting A and I as well. Yeah. I tell you the cake nice. The cake nice. well smooth and nice, I tell you.
The man want to win mine.
What?
Man want to win mine.
Any what?
Man want to win mine. If me will make win mine.
Mm-hmm. So that is it. Okay, nice. I drink some water. Brain freeze. I'm telling you. Wow. That cake was awesome. And the melon, guys, I tell you, just try it. The Christmas cake, oh man,
Yeah, I know.
that's awesome. Mere like little music I play a while, so me mute the mic, yeah? Yes, babes. In the first half, in the live, I was cleaning up, so that's why then I came on and just, yeah. Water is also life, yeah? If you're thirsty, you drink some water. And I'm telling you, drinking some water can do a whole lot for one's body. Yeah? Yeah. Drinking water can do a lot for you. Yep. Somebody always say, fix your glasses won't fix. Me know say it won't fix. It only has one angle. That's why it go up, lean, go so all the way. Yeah. No, guys, my belly feel like something in there. I'm telling you. I eat 2 slices of cake, right? And how much pieces of melon? Yeah. Sorry. And then drink some water. Yeah. And that kind of balance me out for now. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, I can go on a little morning fasting. As we were talking on the live this morning, you can go on a little morning fasting. And, when you're ready now, maybe past 12 o'clock, you can have something to eat. Yeah. But if you're diabetic, so well then, if you choose to do the fasting thing, you have to like eat a certain time in the night. Maybe 10 o'clock in the night would that be like your last meal. So probably you can do an hour fasting or so in the morning before you eat. Yeah. Because you're diabetic, you can't really stay long without eating. So you can do probably 1 hour. By the time your stomach ready to get hungry, yeah. That is it. So that melon, I'm telling you, the melon sweetie. And the cake nice, the cake nice. The cake nice. Yeah. Tastes really, really good. get some of the like when we go supermarket again, I go get some of them baking tin something there, because you know when you bake you can like use it and you don't have to like fill it up too much. Yeah. So that's how I'm gonna do it. Baking it, and then you can have it like you put it up in the fridge. When it cool, you can have it in the fridge, whether pudding or cake. Because them type of cake there, me love. The black cake, the Christmas cake, it's very nice, tasty, very tasty, the Christmas cake. And the watermelon, as long as it red like the one I show you, when you're buying melon, when you go to the market and you're buying melon, if the melon no look the way there, you know say it don't sweet. And when it look the way there, it's sweet and it's full of juice. Yeah. When it's shelly like that, sweet and it's full of juice. The melon they well fit. Well fit. Tastes real good. My daughter eat one piece. When we look, she reach back around here, so she want the next piece. It's nice. It's nice, man. You start buy melon from the guy there now. Yeah. One with the right at the train line, a Spanish Town. Them sell breadfruit too, you know. Them have some big breadfruit. I say, where they get them breadfruit there, you know? Although some part of the island never really affected like that. So I guess those are coming from that side that was never really affected. Some lovely roasting breadfruit. Them have a sell. Nice breadfruit. Yep. So thank you so much for joining my live. There. And saying hello. Is it Dovran, Moxie Dovran, and wonder if this is Ford again. DPN. The person say hi, nice watermelon. Yes, it's nice for real. It red. I saw me love buy watermelon. Me not really like. You see when it come on to watermelon, me not like buy foolishness. You see when you buy the melon and it not look that way there, you know say it not good. It not go sweet. And them something it not go full of juice like the one way, like this one when me buy. Anytime you buy a melon and it's still like that, you don't stop eating, may I tell you. You love it. Because it's rich, the color rich, and it's sweet. It have a lot of juice in it. You put it in your fridge and you make it cool, and that is it. Just put it for cool. Once you put it for cool, you know say you're gonna lead. Yeah, man. Every day, me always say, alright, I go buy a piece of melon. Good while now, me not eat melon. Good while. So, I just say myself, say, today is the day. Just do it and, yeah. come home, put it for cool in the fridge and have a piece. Have a piece of melon. It is healthy to just you have a fruit. If per se you can't afford to buy all of the fruits them one time, you have one something today, tomorrow you probably have a ripe banana, and next day you probably have a couple slices of pine, and next day you probably have something else. Yeah, and then you try to eat a fruit, Try to eat a fruit whenever you can. Whenever you can get to eat a fruit, you eat a fruit. Yep. Oh Lord. Today is a new day. And it's almost done already. Hey, hey. It's a new day and it's almost done already. The day is almost done. Yes, I may have some more things I may have to get done. So guys, thank you so much for joining. Let me go and give the goats these and see what else I can get done. Put this on the side. Cook my little rice. My ring. Da 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 da. Oh, let me say me dog do again. I can say today was a good day for me in a way, but right now I go chef up something quick and fast. Yeah, put dinner on the table, and then for the rest of the evening, I just go chill and just relax and see how best me can probably get a little nap and stuff like that. I really need a little nap. Yeah, during the day you're there and you feel sleepy, you have to be ups and down. You have to be doing this, you have to be doing that. You can't get to lie down and rest as all you don't want, you know. You have to just be on your feet. You have to just be moving all the time. No rest, you know. No rest. So I'm gonna just do whatever I have to get done and just take a little break. Take a little break. You have to take a little break. Give yourself some time out. Yeah? Give yourself some time out, guys. Some me time. That's what they call me time. Yeah? Just do you, and that is it. Doing you. Some of the time, you get to think about things. You get to just get to know yourself more and all these things. Yeah? There is so many things to just reflect on sometimes. Good things when you're like unwinding, sitting down, relaxing. That is your me time, right? Yeah. So if you get to do that, you can like probably reflect on things and just tell yourself, say, you know, say, I never know say this thing go on. You know, say, I never know say I saw things set up. You know, say, I never know say this. Alright, me I go do this right now. Alright, this is what I'm working on. Alright, me I go do this so. Me I go do that. So me you're different. Me I go do, yeah. That way there, you get more time to think when you're, you know, having your me time. Yeah, just a little bit of time for yourself. That you call your me time. Yeah. So, we're going to do that some of the time, you know? Have some little me time for yourself. Where we can really think about a lot of stuff. Yep. Right now, I'm there, someone sleep. Sleep up bite me. But what to do? I'm gonna get what I have to get done, and then after that, hopefully, we can just relax. Yep. Just relax, mosquito. So, catch you guys later on. One love. One love. Whoa, whoa. I'm gonna just make it go and run a little bit while I go and do what I have to do, same way. In the meantime, hi. So I will see you later on, guys. One love, big up on yourself.